Hello friends, today we are going to learn the first topic of mathematics, that is number sense. Friends, before learning this topic, we should know some concepts which are written on the board. Please take out your notebooks and note down these all points which are written here. So, we will see these concepts or these points one by one. Friends, as we know, we use 10 digits to form numbers, and these 10 digits are given here: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We use these 10 digits to form any number. Okay? After that, let us see here friends, what is the smallest one digit number. 1 is the smallest one digit number and 9 is the greatest one digit number. Next one, 10 is the smallest two digit number and 99 is the greatest two digit number. After that, 100 is the smallest three digit number and 999 is the greatest three digit number. Like this we can form smallest and greatest number. Okay? After that we will move on. Next one, 10 ones means what? 110. What? 10 ones is equal to 110. After that, 10 tens is equal to 100. What? 10 tens is equal to 100. And next one, 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. What? 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. Next one, place value and face value. Then, while counting the place, we have to count from the right side. The first digit at the ones place from right side. The first digit from right side is ones place, at the ones place. Second one is at tens place. Third one is at hundreds place. And fourth one is at what? Thousands place. So I wrote here the place of each digit. The place of 5 is ones. The place of fourth is tens. The place of third is hundreds. And the place of 6 in the given number is what? 1000. And the place value of each digit is, the place value of 5 in this given number is 5 because it is at ones place. The place value of 4 in the given number is what? 40 because it is at the tens place. Okay? After that, the place value of 3 in the given number is what? 300 because it is at the hundreds place. Okay? And last one, the place value of 6 in the given number is what? 6000 because it is at the thousands place. Okay? And then what is mean by face value? The number itself is known as what? Face value. Okay? 5 is the face value of 5. Then face value of 4 is 4. Face value of 3 is 3 and face value of 6 is 6. The number itself is known as what? Face value of that given digit in the given number. Okay? After that, we will turn towards what? Ascending order. What is mean by ascending order? Arranging the numbers from least to the largest number is called as what? Ascending order. Arranging number from the least to the largest number, that is known as what? Ascending order. Okay? Example is given here. 13 is the least number. After that, 67 and after that last one 98. Okay, we have arranged these numbers in what? Ascending order from smaller to greater. Okay, so such type of arrangement is known as what? Ascending order. Arranging number from the least to the largest number is known as what? Ascending order. After that we will move on what? Descending order. What is mean by descending order? Okay, ascending order we learnt increasing order. Descending order means decreasing order. Okay, means arranging number from the largest to the least number is known as what? Descending order. Arranging numbers from the largest to the least number is known as descending order. And let us see here example. The largest number is what? 98, after that 67 and at last 13. These numbers are in what? Descending order. After that, symbols used for comparison. When we compare two numbers, that time we use some symbol. These symbols are given here. Equal to symbol, this one. Greater than symbol, this one. And less than symbol, this one. Okay, we use these symbols to compare two numbers. Examples: when two numbers are equal, that time we put this symbol, equal to symbol. Okay, when first number is greater than other number, that time we use what? The symbol which is greater than. 100 is greater than 10, like this. Okay, 100 is greater than 10. Okay, so we use this greater than symbol here. Okay, after that less than symbol, when first number is smaller than other one, at that time we use less than symbol. Okay, and we can put here and we can read it. 5 is less than what? 10. Okay, so like this we use this symbol to compare the two numbers. Okay, after that we will turn towards predecessor. So what is mean by predecessor? Friends, predecessor means nothing but before number. Okay, predecessor means what? Before number. Okay, example is given here. What is the predecessor of 98? What is the predecessor of 98? Predecessor means, I told you here that predecessor means what? Before number. So predecessor of 98 is what? 97. So 97 is the predecessor of what? 98. Then what is mean by successor? Successor means nothing but after number. Successor means what? After number. Okay, so what is the सक्सेसर ऑफ 100? क्या होगा सक्सेसर 100 का? दैट इज 101. ओके, इट इज द सक्सेसर ऑफ 100. सक्सेसर मीन्स व्हाट? आफ्टर नंबर. प्रेडिसेसर मीन्स व्हाट? बिफोर नंबर. ओके, वी शुड रिमेंबर दिस. ओके, प्रेडिसेसर बिफोर नंबर, सक्सेसर व्हाट? आफ्टर नंबर. ओके, आफ्टर दैट वी विल टर्न टुवर्ड्स व्हाट? even numbers. What is mean by even numbers? The numbers that have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at the ones place, they are known as even number. Ones place means what? Last place or first place from right side, okay? That is ones place, okay? We learnt here only, okay? What ones place means? The first digit from right side, okay? That is ones place. When we find that 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at the ones place of any number, that number is known as what? Even number. Some examples are given here. 10, 0 is at the ones place. 2 is at the ones place. 4, okay? Means 10, 2, 24, 46, 128, etc., etc. Means we can write many even numbers here, okay? So these are known as what? Even numbers. When the numbers that have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at the ones place, those numbers are known as what? Even numbers. Then what is mean by odd numbers? The numbers that have 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 at the ones place. When these digits have at the ones place of any number, that number is known as what? Odd number. Okay, some examples of odd number are 3, 41, 197, 489, 25, etc., etc. These are examples of what? Odd numbers. Okay. After that, what is mean by ordinal numbers? What is mean by ordinal numbers? The ordinal numbers are words which represent the rank in particular order or position. Okay. Some examples of ordinal numbers are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth and so on. These are known as what? Ordinal numbers. And after that, cardinal numbers. Okay, cardinal numbers means what? Cardinal numbers are the words which represent the quantity. Means counting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are known as what? Cardinal numbers. Okay. Have you got it? Again I will revise for you. Once again, let us see here. We use what? 10 digits to form any number. These 10 digits are given here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. These 10 digits we use to form any numbers. Okay. Let us see here. Smallest 1 digit number is 1. Greatest 1 digit number is 9. Smallest 2 digit number is 10. Greatest 2 digit number is what? 99. Smallest 3 digit number is what? 100. And greatest 3 digit number is what? 999. We can form smallest and largest, or we can find out smallest and largest. What? 4 digit number, 5 digit number, 6 digit number and so on. Okay. After that, 10 ones equal to what? 110. 10 tens equal to what? 100. 10 hundreds is equal to what? 1000. Then place value, face value and place of the digit in the given number. Okay. So there is one number 6345. So we have to find out what is the place of each digit in the given number. What is the place value of each digit in the given number, and what is the face value of each digit in the given number. So the place of 5 is ones. Okay. The place of 4 is what? Tens. The place of 3 is what? Hundreds. And the place of 6 is what? Thousands. The place value of 5 is 5 because it is ones place. And then place value of 4 is what? 40. After that, place value of 3 is what? 300. And the place value of 6 is what? 6000 because it is at the thousands place. Okay. Then face value means what? Face value means nothing but the number itself. Okay. Or the digit itself. Okay. Let us see. Face value of 5 is 5. Face value of 4 is what? 4. Face value of 3 is what? 3. And face value of 6 is what? Nothing but 6. Okay. After that, what is mean by ascending order? Okay, arranging numbers from the least to the largest number is called as what? Ascending order. Okay, some numbers are arranged here in what? Ascending order. 13, 67, 98. These numbers are arranged here in ascending order. Okay, then what is mean by descending order? Arranging numbers from the largest to the least number is known as what? descending order. Okay. Again some numbers are arranged here in descending order. What? 98, 67 and 13. These numbers are in descending order. Simply we can say ascending order means increasing order and descending order means what? Decreasing order. Okay. After that we use some symbols for comparison between two numbers. Okay. Number 1 symbol equal to, number 2 greater than and number 3 what? Less than. Okay. Let us see here, two numbers are same. They are equal. That's why we put here the symbol of equal to. In second example, 100 is greater than 10. So that's why we put here symbol which is greater than. Okay. 100 is greater than 10. Okay. After that, look at this example. 5 is smaller than what? 10. Okay. That's why we put here symbol which is less than. Okay. 5 is less than 10. Okay. After that, we learnt what is mean by predecessor. Predecessor means nothing but what? Before number. Okay. Predecessor means before number. What is the predecessor of 98? The predecessor of 98 is what? 97. Okay. Then what is mean by successor? Successor means what? Nothing but after number. Okay. And what is the successor of 100? The successor of 100 is what? 101. Then what is mean by even numbers? The numbers that have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at the ones place, they are known as what? Even numbers. And what is mean by odd numbers? Then the numbers that have 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 at the ones place, those are known as what? Odd numbers. After that, next concept is what? Ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are words representing the rank in particular order or particular position. Okay. We can say here the words which show what position, those are known as what? Ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. These numbers are known as what? Ordinal numbers. And after that, last one, cardinal numbers means what? Cardinal numbers are the words which represent the quantity, means counting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These numbers are known as what? Cardinal numbers. So after that, we will take some example on this topic. Okay. The first one is write the position of O in given letters. Okay. So what is the position of O in the given letter? We will write here more detail from left side. What is the position of O in the given letters from left side? So which is, this is right side, this is left side. So we will count it from what? Left side. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. What is the position of fifth from the left side? So answer is what? Fifth. Okay. Position of O is what? Fifth from the left side. Okay. After that, second question is there for you. Largest two-digit number is what? What is the largest two-digit number? So, as we know, the largest two-digit number is what? 99. Okay. Question number third. Next. What 8 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 9 ones? We will add here 800. After that, 2 tens means what? 2 tens means nothing but what? 20 plus 9 ones. Add these numbers 9 to 8. So the answer will be 829. Okay. After that, 41s is same as what? Dash tens. 41s is same as dash tens. 41s means nothing but 40. 40 means how many tens? 40 means 4 tens. Okay? 40 means what? 4 tens. After that, we have to find out what is the place value of 1 in the given number. There is one number 104 and we have to find out the place value of 1. The place of 1 is ones, tens, hundred. Hundreds place is there, okay? So the place value of 1 is what? 100. The place value of 1 is what? 100. Question number 6 then. What is the predecessor of 20 tens? Let us see here, friends. 20 tens means what? Simply we write 20 tens, 19 is the predecessor. Okay, that is not. That is not correct answer. 20 tens means what? 20 tens means 20 tens के लिए और एक zero लगाना पड़ेगा. It will become what? 200. And then we have to find out the predecessor of 200. Your answer will be what? 199 is the predecessor of 200. Okay? Means just before number of 200 is what? 199. It will become predecessor of what? 20 tens. 20 tens means nothing but 20 tens is equal to 200. And that's why predecessor of 20 tens is what? 199. Next question, 7th one. Insert the correct sign. 15 plus 15, we have to insert the sign in the given box 25. Then we have to find out whether these two numbers are equal. First number is greater or second number is greater. We have to find out and then we have to put the proper symbol. Okay. So 15 plus 15 what? 30. Then whether these numbers are what? Equal to? No. 30 is greater than 25. So we have to put which symbol? The symbol which is greater than. Okay. So that symbol we have to put there. Okay. 30 is greater than what? 25. After that, arrange in descending order. Some numbers are given here. We have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Descending order means what? Decreasing order. What? Decreasing order. Then first of all, descending order means we have to start from the largest number. Okay, which is the largest number here? Okay, 48 is the largest one. After that we have to write 31. After that we have to write what? 20. And at last we have to write 13. Here we have arranged these numbers in what? Descending order means decreasing order. 9th question, circle the odd number in the given numbers. Some numbers are given here. All are even but only one is odd there. And we have to find out which one is odd number there. So which one is 190? Let us see, even number means what? The numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at the ones place. Those numbers are known as even numbers. And what is meant by odd numbers? The numbers which have 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 at the ones place. Those are known as what? Odd number. Okay. So there is only one number which has what? 3 at the ones place. So that is what? Odd number. And other all numbers are what? Even numbers. Only one is odd number there. Okay. And last question there is, what is the successor of smallest 3-digit number? We can find out which is the smallest 3-digit number. As we know, 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. And what is the successor of 100? The successor of 100 is 101. Means after number. Okay, 101 is the successor of 100. So friends, today we have learnt here